In this video, I'm going to show you what we believe are the best LEGO sets to buy if you are planning to make a stop motion. There are so many different sets and themes to choose from, but which one would be the best and most useful for creating a stop motion? Well, to figure this out, we need to look at what pieces are used the most. In many of the sets from our videos, you can see that a decent number of the scenes use these tan and blue wall pieces, which are used to create the rooms for the characters to be in. This is because we have a lot of these pieces, and we want the walls to be one colour so it doesn't look too crazy in our sets. So when you're looking to buy some LEGO, I'd recommend looking for sets that have a lot of these kinds of pieces. Try avoid the sets that make cars, spaceships, or any other kind of vehicle, because these are usually made up of smaller tile-like pieces, and these aren't very useful. Instead, I would suggest looking into the creator theme. LEGO has a lot of those cool building sets. A few years ago, we got the detective's office, which was really helpful in making a lot of our sets. As you can see from the image, that's where we've gotten lots of our wall pieces from. However, these sets can be quite expensive and hard to find. LEGO has another similar theme called Creator 3-in-1. In this theme, they sell smaller sets, but they're basically the same, and they also have a decent number of those useful wall pieces. Take for example the Townhouse Pet Shop. This set looks similar to the other bigger creator theme sets, but it's just a bit smaller. If you don't really like any of those sets, and you really just want to buy the bricks so that you can be creative and make your own sets, there is also the classic theme. These sets are quite literally just a box of different coloured bricks. We have a couple of sets from this theme too. Your other choice is to go to the part of the LEGO website that not many people know about. Here you can actually choose what pieces you would like to buy. For example, I searched for a 1x4 brick, and then I just added it to the cart. Then I bumped up the quantity to 100, and look, just for $20 you can get 100 of these wall pieces, which are super useful for building stop motion sets. So those are the easiest and cheapest ways to get lots of pieces for your stop motions in our opinion. Let us know what you think are the best sets for making a stop motion video. If you want to learn more about creating the perfect set for your stop motion, I highly suggest checking out this video right here. Hope you found this video helpful.